What is going on, you guys? My name is Alex, and I'm a 21-year-old trader attempting to master the stock market to potentially one day join the very few who make a living out of this. And for this video, I'm going to break down the trade that I took today on Coin here. So if you're not familiar with my YouTube channel or whatever, I essentially swing trade the big market caps. So that's Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, Microsoft, Google, all those big companies. I trade those. I trade 30 of them. I watch them every day, and I look for something specific that I'm going to explain to you guys from a technical aspect in terms of the charts. And before we get into that, I'm going to explain to you guys my position here. So I am shorting 24 shares of Coin. So if you're not familiar with what shorting is, it's essentially making money when prices come down. So my average price is 303.47. The last price is 300. So in the case that the price does come down, which it has came down, I'm going to make money. Average price 303, current price is 300, and we are up $83 right now. So this is unrealized. I haven't locked in any profit. Once I do lock in profit, you're going to see over here the profit that I made. So as of right now, we're up $85. The market is closed though, so not much action is going on right now. You're not going to see much. With that being said, let's look at the chart and break down the trade here for you guys. So I essentially am a trend breakout trader. What that means is I look for trends like this. So we got one touch point here, two touch points, a third one here, a fourth one right here, and then today we got the break where, as you can see, nice little black candle, red candle, negative day that we had today. I should also mention that every candle represents 1 day worth of time, at least in this time frame here, in this chart that we're looking at right now. Every candle represents 1 day worth of time. So again, we got one touch point here, two touch points, three touch points, clearly a trend, and then today we got the break. So I'm gonna essentially be trading the fear that people have or perceive when the trend gets broken. So that's the philosophical aspect of it. It's a herd mentality here that we have going on, and we're trading the fear off of that shock that we received today. So the herd was thinking that, well, we're trending, but today we got the shock, and this is supposed to create a fear response to the herd that is that we're trading here. So again, we're not trading stocks here, we're trading people. That's the general idea, the philosophical aspect of this strategy here. With that being said, we do have a counter trend here which we use as a trailing stop method. In the case that we're like at the all-time high, what you could also do is just use the current candle's high, which is going to be around 320 here. But since we have this counter trend, we could use this as a trailing stop method. So let's look down at the 4-hour time frame, just because, well, the 4-hour time frame is actually the time frame that I trade here, simply because I wait for the 4-hour candle to close below the trend line, and then I just enter, which is at 10:30. Typically I do sometimes trade a little bit before that, from 10 to 11. That to me is kind of the time that I trade. So I took this trade around 10:20, something like that. So 10:30 is when the 4-hour candle closes, and today it closed below this trend line here, giving me the confirmation to enter. Shorting 24 shares using this counter trend line here as a protective trailing stop in this case, or trailing profit in the case that let's say tomorrow the market does come down or the stock comes down. I could use this this trend line here, this counter trend line, as a protective in the case that we do come down and then the price tries to come up a little bit. Considering time, we are going to be moving sideways. So in the case we move sideways a little bit, we will just lock in some profits here and get out with a small little profit. What my target is, I should also mention that my target is going to be 233. So stop loss is around $20 per share. Target is going to be around $60. So that's a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio. Not bad at all. Hopefully this works out tomorrow, and that's going to be it. Quick little simple trade, quick little breakdown for you guys. I think it's a good opportunity to enter. Maybe tomorrow you have an opportunity to enter for yourself if you like. If not, maybe you learned something from this video, and that's already good on itself. So that's the coin trade for you guys today. Nice little breakout today. Hopefully we do a continuation. We're trailing with the blue line here, counter trend here. As you can see, we're trailing it. As of right now, we are pretty much at break even. Actually, we're up like $80, but that to me is breaking even, especially when you're considering that P&L is from the after hours. After hours, not really much volatility going on. So tomorrow we'll see if this is going to be a profitable trade or not. In the case that we do come down, again, we have this trailing stop method that will protect some of our profits. In the case that it goes in our favor and then it goes against us, we'll just take our loss or our small profit. So that's going to be it for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. We're up $75. Average price 303.47. Shorting 24 shares. Again, we're looking for the price to come down In that case, we'll make money. So that's going to be it for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay focused.